Hello everyone, hey, in this video we'll discuss how to turn off screensaver on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that when you keep your Chromebook idle for a few minutes, it will show you the screensaver where you can find weather information, notification and clock. This can consume the battery life of your Chromebook. So if you don't like the screensaver feature, then you can simply turn it off. For that, simply right click on desktop, then click on Set Wallpaper and Style option. This will open Wallpaper application. You can also open it from the settings. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, click on Wallpaper and Style option, click on Set Your Wallpaper and Style, and here click on Screensaver option. Now simply turn off the toggle. So this will turn off screensaver on a Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.